Hello and welcome to Cleaning the EC Way, where we talk about everything cleaning. Today, we are going to be going over some important things that you need to know before cleaning your hardwood floor. If you have not already, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next time we upload. And now on to that video. I once heard someone compare hardwood floors to a piece of antique furniture. What exactly does that mean? Well, that means if you want your hardwood floors to last for years, you need to treat your floors with care. So when it comes to cleaning your hardwood floors, you need to tread lightly. The first thing you need to do when you are cleaning your hardwood floors is get anything loose off your floors. Unless you are using a wet vac, you need to sweep or vacuum your floors before you attempt to mop. Things that are left behind on the floors can actually scratch the wood as it is moved around with the mop. A very important thing is to know your cleaning products. Wood is delicate and you need to be careful with what cleaning product you use to mop. I asked a professional hardwood installer what he suggested to use, and his answer was, well, water. He also said that if the floors are not dirty, see, like in a room that no one goes into and they are just dusty, then don't mop. Just sweep the dust up. To help in cutting down crumbs, dust, dirt, and anything else loose, it is suggested to vacuum or sweep your floors every few days. If your vacuum has the capability, you should also turn the roller off when treating hardwood floors. It is important to spot clean as soon as there is a spill on the floor. So if your floors need to be cleaned and you don't feel comfortable using just water, then you need to make sure you are not using any of the following. Bleach. Bleach is not a good cleaning product, and in our experience and opinion, it should never be used to clean anything in your house, and even more so, your hardwood floors. You should also avoid anything that has oil in it, ammonia, vinegar, anything abrasive, and hot steaming water. There are a lot of people who love Bona, and when you are mopping with Bona, you may not feel or see the harmful effects it has on your floors. But if you were to take a mop and go over your floors, you would be able to feel the tension as the mop does not glide over the waxy film that is left behind. Spray mops do tend to leave soap behind, and soap collects dirt and grime, making your floors dirtier in the long run. Here's a tip for you. If you love the spray mop, choose a spray mop where you feel the cleaning products yourself. So what can be used to clean your hardwood floors? Well, your cleaner should be a mild cleaner that is pH neutral and is a water-based cleaner. You should never mop with a lot of moisture. Moisture is the enemy to wood. It can crack and warp your hardwood floors. This is why we love a spin mop, because you can spin out the water and mop with the least amount of water. When you mop your floors, they should dry quickly. If that's not happening, you can take a dry mop or rag and go over the area to assist in the drying time. Doing this is also going to help prevent streaks. You should also avoid steam mops. The extreme heat and moisture from a steam mop can cause your floors to warp, bend, and buckle. It can also make your floors look dull. The heat can also break down the top coat or stain, leaving the wood exposed. If the stain is broken down, it will definitely show signs of damage and discoloration. It is going to make your floors look old and worn out. And once these have happened, the only fix is to have the planks replaced and or the floors sanded down and restained. If you find you are having issues with streaks, here are a few quick tips. You should always mop in the direction of the wood grain and not against that wood grain. You need to make sure that you are changing out the water when it gets dirty. And don't forget, have an amazing day, and more important, go make it sparkle.